Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So we're trying a little new editing style today. Let me know how you feel about it in the comments down below. But I've got some new polishes today, and I also have a new drill that I want to try from MelodySusie. So let's get into it. I've got these on right now that I have to remove. These have been on for about 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks. So it's time to go. The first thing that I got was from Nail Reserve, and this is the first time they've ever reached out to me, and I was really excited to be able to pick some polishes from their site. I needed some nude pinks, but I got these shiny colors because I thought they'd look really pretty over top of the nude ones. And then they also sent over their top coat. So we're gonna swatch these. So this one is iced coffee. It's a really cute toffee brown. Next we have Marry Me. It's a beautiful nude pink. I really like the consistency of these polishes. They seem really nice and thick. Like some of them you might only need like one coat. I don't think you'll need two. And then we have Less is More. And this is a beautiful shimmery pink color. Of course I have hair stuck in it. I always get hair stuck in it. Here are those colors all swatched out. Really pretty. Now I really want to try these colors over top of the nude colors that I got. So first I'm going to go in with the pink one. This is Less is More. And just see how that looks. Then I'm going to take Moonlit Glow. They look pretty on their own, but I think they're going to look really pretty as toppers. I like them. So that's from Nail Reserve. Previously the Nail Addict. If you are interested in any other products, I will have a discount code for you guys down below, and just check out the description box. MelodySusie sent me over a nail file, or excuse me, a nail drill. I was excited to get a nail drill. I've not received a nail drill before. And I've been needing one because I started working at a salon nearby, and I've really been needing a drill for there. But here's what we have when we first take it out of the box. I think it's really nicely packaged. This is a really nice case for it. But it's pink. It's beautiful. It's got a nice little protective layer over top of that. So nice. It's very small, compact. Like I feel like if you needed to take it anywhere, it would be pretty easy to take with you. Here is the handheld piece. Really nice. And this just gets plugged into here. Oh, it's got a nice little charger ready, although you can't really see it. Oh wow, look at that. They send you some drill bits, and they also send over these, the sanding bands. And if you do your nails, these are very important to having a nice buffed surface, and they're just really gentle on the nails, so those are really good to use. This piece here goes on the side, and this just slides right in there. What else do we got? There's the charger. This just gets plugged into there, and you plug this into the wall. Oh, and they send you over some, so we got a large barrel bit, and then, oops, This looks like a more coarse one to like take off product. And then also some of these. But yeah, perfect. Everything that you need is in this little kit that they sent you. I have to double check the price on it because I'm not sure, but I want to say it was around $80. Very cool. So we're gonna see how this works taking off my current set. The only thing I wish that it had is like something to put this on, like a stand or something, because I don't like to just leave it on my desk, you know? My Kira Sky one does come with a holder, so that would be nice, but you know, what can you do? The Kira Sky one's triple the price, so I think it looks great and I'm excited to use it. All right, so first I'm gonna cut these down as short as possible. And then I'm gonna turn this on. Ooh, it's really quiet. So this is at 11,000 RPM. All right, I'm gonna bump it up to 17,000 RPM. Okay, so this is what they're looking like after I've filed those down. I do need to soak the rest of them off, but I just want to show you really quick that I do have some green that's on my natural nail there, and that's because water got in there somehow and it's been trapped in there, so that's why they're turning colors. It happens, it's nothing to be alarmed about, but once I remove everything and I file that down, you know, they'll be fine. So I'm gonna go do that. So I got my tin foil, and then I also got my cotton balls, and then we're gonna use 100% acetone to remove that. Honestly, I was pretty impressed with the nail file. It took me no time at all to file that down, which is amazing. But once I have that on, I'm just gonna take my tin foil and soak the rest off, because you shouldn't pull them off. You shouldn't pull your nails off because it just damages your natural nail. And I used to be that person. I really did. I was super impatient and would just pull them off. Sometimes I still do, but for the sake of this video, I'm not. Once I have all these on, I'm gonna let that sit about 15 minutes, and then I will be back to take them off. So it's been about 15 minutes. I'm gonna scrape these off. My middle finger's definitely got it the worst here, but it's not green anywhere down here, so again, it's not anything to be too concerned about. You just want to remove it because it doesn't look nice. So now I'm gonna go in with my sanding band, put this on there, and we're just gonna file that off. Here's everything all removed. Just gonna dust that off with some alcohol. No more greenies, and we're ready for our next set. So I'm gonna be doing a Gel X set again, and for that, my nails need to be very short because of how they grow upwards. So I'm gonna actually take my pinky down just a little bit more, but overall, that's pretty good length for them. So we're gonna do a Gel X set, and I'm using these tips from Couture. I don't really hear anybody talk about Couture anymore. Are they like a thing? I don't know. I'm really impressed with this MelodySusie e-file. I did look this up online, and on their website it's listed for $79.99, but on Amazon it's listed for $63, and I'm sure that's because of the Amazon Prime deals. So by the time you see this video, I don't know if it'll still be on there, but both will be linked in the description down below if you are interested in a new e-file. And we're gonna etch the inside of these. And now I'm gonna go in with Born Pretty 8-in-1 nail glue, and we're gonna place that on my natural nails. Next, I'm going to take this light from Amazon. It's really nice and flexible. It attaches right onto your desk, and this is going to adhere our gel tips. It's just a flash cure. And then you're going to go on the big light for a full cure for 60 seconds. Here's how we're looking after everything has been applied, and I just shaped up the top a little bit and then I buffed everything. So I think I'm gonna go in with this color here. This is called Marry Me, and we're going to apply that on all the nails. The coverage is so nice. I think I'll only need one coat. Yeah, definitely. Literally only one coat. Now those are polishes I can get behind. Don't apply them like a slob. I'm gonna go do that to the rest of my nails. You guys, this is one coat of polish. This is so good. The pigment on this is amazing. I've never tried like the Nail Reserve products before, but oh my gosh. One coat polishes are that girl. So I want to go in with less is more on top of that to give it more of a shimmery effect. I think it just looked really pretty. Oh yeah. Stunning. That is gonna look so pretty. So I'm just gonna do that to the rest of them. That's how we're looking with the top coat. We're going to be doing a design that I saw on Instagram. They're jewelry nails. So basically you have like necklaces on your nails. So they're with gemstones, obviously. And I'm going to post a video of where I saw it and which one I'm talking about. So, but I thought it would be really cool to use these green rhinestones that I have. And this one here too. And then I've got some bigger ones here. That'd be so pretty to do a design with all these green rhinestones and just create like a beautiful jewelry set on our nails like that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be going in with my LGN Pro Bling It Gel, and I'm going to be applying that on most of my nails. So you guys, here's the finished design. I think they turned out cute. I wish the hearts were a tad smaller. They look a bit chunky. So maybe if my nails were a little bit longer, the chunkier rhinestones would look better. I'll also put some pictures of what they look like with the flash. I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this editing style and how you feel about these nails. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.